Welcome to your daily current affairs digest for 4th August 2026. Everything you need for SSC, UPSC, PCs, and banking exams all in one place. Now, appointments, awards and reports. Karnataka Sir, 16 districts, mostly backward, report over 12% voters under ASDO. Notably, most of these very districts also rank among Karnataka's lowest on the Human Development Index, according to the Govind Rao Committee report on regional imbalances released earlier this year. Now, economy and finance. Telangana Secretariat ASO loses 42 lakh rupees in fake IPO investment scam promoted on Instagram. Arpan Kendras launched at 5 Delhi metro stations to donate old clothes. The initiative, launched in collaboration with the Delhi Metro Rail Corporation and the Delhi Metro Ladies Welfare Organization, aims to collect, reuse, recycle and upcycle old clothes. Container ship loses control while leaving Cochin port, moored safely. The ship has been moored at Ernakulam Wharf Q7 since the incident and will leave the premises only after repair works. As TVK government prepares its first agriculture budget in Tamil Nadu, farmers, traders pitch reforms for water, markets. Reeling from drought and the severe impacts of El Nino, farmers across the Delta and southern districts have expanded their list of demands to include immediate financial compensation for their lost crops. Shivganga graphite sales affected due to import from China, Tanzania, says Minister T.K. Prabhu. Now, environment and ecology. BMC to monitor illegal waste dumping through CCTV surveillance. The corporation's Solid Waste Management Department launched the comprehensive campaign to improve visible cleanliness across Mumbai and its suburbs. Plantation Corporation's continued possession of over 3,900 ha of lease-expired forest land, unauthorized, Kerala Forest Department tells CEC. Plantation Corporation of Kerala has leased, subleased, licensed or otherwise allotted portions of the land to private parties for pineapple cultivation, adversely affecting wildlife movement, habitat connectivity, soil stability, water resources and ecological integrity of the area, says the department. AP government constitutes high-power committee to boost tiger conservation. According to an official release, the decision comes following the recent suspicious death of a tigress in the Nallamala forest. Minister Anand inspects areas along the Adyar River. That's all for today. Good luck with your exam preparation and see you tomorrow.